Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find Threads profile link, and here's how it's done. Launch the app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile page, you'll see an option called Share Profile above the Replies section. Tap Share Profile, then tap Copy to copy your profile link. Share your link. The link copied will look like this: threads.net/username. Example: threads.net/sample. Note, if you change your username, your profile link will change as well. You can now paste this link wherever you want, such as in a text, email, or another social media post. If someone clicks on the link and has the Threads app installed, it will open directly to your profile in the app. And that is everything you need to know about how to find Threads profile link. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.